This 2027 Forest River Rockwood Ultra Lite 2608BS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 29 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 3, oven, water heater, smoke detector, microwave, TV antenna, air conditioning, leveling jacks, TV, LP detector, awning, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Forest River Rockwood Ultra Lite 2608BS is 6,876 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.